Right Honorable Thomas Tayebwa ebabigambire nyemwebazyo obwabirari omukyaro kya Nyaruziba omugombora ya Kashambya mu district ya Rukiga ahamukoro gwo kushendekereza omukekuru Noreda banjarana orenyena wa Minister w'ihanga w'ebyamagara Honorable Hanifa Kawoya.
Nituzakwagira Right Honorable Anita Among. We are going to support the Right Honorable Speaker Anita Among to be a Speaker of Parliament. And like she emphasized, she has been making it very clear. She wants to serve her last term. Then also me, I serve my last term as a Deputy Speaker. I serve also my last term as a Deputy Speaker.
Omukugamba kwe Right Honorable Thomas Tayebwa ayongere yagira ngo abanda bebembezi abarugireyo okwereka nk'uko barukwenda entebe ya Speaker w'ishengero nka Honorable Norbert Mao arakwebembera ekibini kya Democratic Party tebari kwija kwikirizibwa kuteganisa obumwe oburi omu kibina ekyarwangisiriza.
My senior brother Norbert Mao, the cooperation we have with the DP is a cooperation which will come. Turajakira munonga itunkaba NRM, and he will be a great addition to Parliament. Konk ahabi interview ku our opposition ezezenkureze zitubikire is very critical for running a government. Ezezo nizigumumukokasi.
Ebigambo bya Right Honorable Thomas Tayebwa bishagikirwe Minister w'ihanga w'ebyesente Honorable Henry Musasizi ogire ngo ecyahwire nikirebeka
konkati anabali mu bitwiremo nge narenda karuru ka Parliament kugira ngo atubere Deputy Speaker na Right Honorable Anita Among abe Speaker ngene cyo tubyaba movement ekisekera gamba nico turakora.
Ari kugamba hari nyina Minister Hanifa Kawoya asimire nyina abo kumworora kurungi akamwegesa emico emirungi no kukunda ekanisa.
My mother, they have said she was a very good giver, and especially to the church and to everybody, but more to the church. She would hold, I think, like 5 Thanksgiving, until I said, why don't you give other people a chance?
Bishop obureberezo bwa Kigezi Right Reverend Gada Kanjuna ashabira abantu okwetebekanisizaho urugendo rwabo baba bakiri omunsi.
Hariho ebintu bingi omuntu kwaguma muri Yesu ebyayetambira rero ruhangana wamwongera imyaka igana tibizana ebiri kutwarira ubwire nebiri kusigwa iwe byo rukusigaho nibyo byo kugasira mwene byose gireho nyenda kushaba ngo gende na mukama nko ku bishop yatuburira ugende na mukama mugume hiyi ahinduke kirari cyawe.
Omukekuru Noreda banjirana aferire aha myaka 99 y'obukuru eyamazire omagara g'enseki makuru agahagasha kwa Job namanya Apol omuru Rukiga.